Hello guys, how are you? It's your boy Masraman. I hope you're all good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to review a really powerful tool, a suite that will help you to do so many things you have no idea with. I'm really excited about it and I really want to share it with you guys right away. Today we are going to review the product, the tool, the software, the suite, which is AdvertSuite 2.0. Sorry for the pronunciation. Anyways, this is one of the most powerful platform. Literally, this is one of the most powerful platform you can run ads on. Not just on one or two platforms. You can run ads on YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and Google as well. And even let's suppose that's the most amazing part about this software is that even if you don't have your own product to show, you can easily replicate the video from the other products and spoil other people as well. Who don't want to be a James Bond, right? Everyone loves that, right? So you can also spy on people, companies, and ads, and also you can use other companies' ads as well for yourself. This is the one of the I can say the great thing about it, that you can also you don't have to do so much hustle for the one thing. You can easily just replicate the other people's result as well and make them their own. Yes. So you also can target a specific areas, age, gender, and country specifically. It's not like you have to just do it all over. You just have to be target a specific small targets as well. This is not a biggie about it. I'm gonna give you the whole detail regarding this one, so you can it will help you to understand each and every single concept regarding this tool. Let me share some data analysis with you guys, especially before we start digging into it more and more. There's a small data analysis. I just they also mention it on the website as well. You can see that here, the 50% of the Facebook users say Facebook ad influence their shopping purchases, and that's a fact as well here. We are talking about the data analysis, data statistics here. Sorry for the pronunciation again. I have a little bit having a cold. That's why my voice is bumbling a lot today. Anyways, sorry for that. And you can also see here 78% of the American consumers say they have discovered product from the Facebook ads. I hope you can understand from where I'm going right away from this part, that you can have to do so many things from here. 28% of the users you have made a purchase from Facebook ads. That's true. That's a fact. I also do the same thing as well. Even though I know lots of you guys also have done the same thing. And even 93% of the social media advertisers use Facebook ads. These are the four biggest data analysis I shared with you guys regarding these suits that you can do. Like obviously, if you have to do, if you create a video with this suit and you post it online, and obviously your advertisement is going to be in the top. And let me share something else with you regarding this tool. This is one of the, I can say personally say it's a hacking tool as well, that will help you to hack your life in that particular part. But anyways, let me share something extra really interesting with you. Like seriously, AdvertSuite 2.0 is the world's largest database on Facebook ads. You can really have a very big number regarding that one. Let me share it with you right away. 80 millions of Facebook ads, they have it. 10k new daily ads, everyone upload 10,000 approximately people just uploading their new ads every single day, and it's in 194 countries. When I talk about 50-60, it's 194, and they have 14 million advertisers. That's the huge figure that I'm talking about, that you can achieve it from here. Obviously, these are the few questions that will also come into your mind before you just start digging this suit as well as a platform. These are the few questions I can relate myself with that one as well. How do I even create a Facebook ads? How do I even monetize a Facebook ads? There's a bunch of questions. That is a typical question that we might have in our head. That is where the suit is come. That is exactly the place you can put your purchase on the right track, you can say. There's a demo video here that describes each and every single platform with you, that you can easily understand their whole concept, how they are doing it. I'm gonna play
To behind the scenes of AdvertSuite. In this demo, I'm not only going to show you the key features you're going to be getting for a one-time tiny investment with a double your money back guarantee, I'm also going to show you how people are using AdvertSuite to monetize this and make.
So, anyways, you can just look at this suit. I'm gonna volume it up.
Showed you every single Facebook ad in the world. I can search through keywords, through advertisers, for example, competitors, or even domain names. So if there's a website that I want to know if they're running ads.
He's basically tells you from the hold your finger and take you from this path all the way to the end. So he's gonna help you to cross the road. That is why this demo is really helpful for you guys as well to understand what this suit actually does. So
ads about, I can see those ads and then see which ones are winning and which ones are losing, so I don't have to replicate any of the ads that are losing. For example, here we're going to search for keyword. I'm going to search for the keyword in the ad text itself. You can also search for that keyword in the comments or even on the landing page, which is where the actual ad takes you to. For this example, we're going to click on ad text. Now I can sort ads by any.
I can say the same thing and repeat it for you, but I think it's really better for you to just look at the demo and just go every single thing step by step. That will be easy for you. I can say it the same way, but I personally think the visual effect is the one that will help you to grow yourself more and learn more easily. That is why I just recommend this demo specific for every single person who just before they were going to watch it. And this is the data I was before talking about. 18 million Facebook ads they have, 10K every day, 14 million advertisers, 198 countries. What else do you need, man? And at the end of the day, you will see you can easily buy it. I'm going to add a link down on my video. Links you can just go and check it from there. They will give you direct access to our bridge page, and also you can go and purchase it from there as well. There's few bonuses we also add this time, so that will help you to with this tool as well. That will really go good with this tool as well. So these are some basic points I really highlighted and tell you guys. And there's one more thing I just realized that I was just digging all those products other that related to this one. I just find out that this suit is one of the cheapest one and also one of the most reliable one as well. The reason is that some other tools that are already in the market, I already just a few of them, they have few specifications, not all of them, but they are giving you all the access from every single thing that I already discussed about. So you basically don't have to do anything. All you have to do is you can say copy paste. Like I said, I give this tool a name, a hacking tool. It will help you to hack your Facebook ads, the data analysis as well. And like I said, if you want, guys, I'm gonna do a comparison video for this suits with other as well. So for the recommendations and for your questions, if you have queries or anything at all, you can just come up with me and we can just talk about it, do our brainstorming together, because you guys can improve me, I can improve you. That's how the world is. So basically, I just want that if you just really like the videos and the reviews, and if they are helpful, I really want you to guys give us a comments and give us a suggestion that how we can improve ourselves and how we can make things better. So till then, this is the last words. So till then, hopefully everyone is having a blast, having a good time. So see you soon, guys. Bye bye. Sayonara.